Myself Bansi here, and I'm here from Basalt Ayurveda. We participated in Goa Exhibition Show 2025, and here we are getting a very good footfall. We are getting good clients. We are getting closing deals on the table.
This year it has been very well organized. The number of stalls are one of the highest that you will see in any exhibition in Goa.
We've interacted with a lot of buyers from the hospitality industry.
Goa, this is the first time that we are exhibiting, but the response is really good. We got to meet so many new people, so many new purchase managers, and what we expected is done here. And all thanks to the exhibition organizers. They are really good.
एक्सपो की बात करें तो अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। यहाँ पे फुटफॉल अच्छा है, लीड्स अच्छी आई है।
क्या है तो हमको लगा कि हाँ ये काफ़ी बड़ा एग्जीबिशन है और यहाँ पे काफ़ी विजिटर्स आ रहे हैं, अच्छा फीडबैक हमको मिला। उसके बाद फिर हमने सेकेंड डे में हमने देखा कि अच्छे खासे क्लाइंट यहाँ पे विज़िट किए और अच्छा हमको सपोर्ट भी मिला। यहाँ के जो ऑर्गेनाइज़र थे उन्होंने हमारा अच्छा सपोर्ट किया। यहाँ पे सुबह सुबह मैं देखता था तो जो भी ऑर्गेनाइज़र है वो आते हैं यहाँ पे चेकआउट करते।
And as you mentioned, like the exhibition is really helpful for us in the sense of this is a B2B exhibition. And Goa, I think, like as people used to say, like which is having like more than 20,000 hotels in Goa. So this is the range of.
खूप छान एक्सपिरियन्स आहे, आम्हाला रिस्पॉन्स पण खूप चांगला मिळतो आहे. लोकांना आईस्क्रीमची टेस्ट पण आवडते आहे आणि चांगला फीडबॅक दिला आहे आम्हाला लोकांनी इकडे पण आईस्क्रीमसाठी. आणि माझं सजेशन राहील की ज्यांना कोणाला एक बिझनेसमध्ये जर नवीन प्लॅटफॉर्म हे करायचं हा खूप चांगला प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे जिथे तुम्ही स्वतःला प्रेझेंट करू शकता. थँक्यू.
We got a good response from this event, as well as we got a good client base also.
Talking about the expo, it was a very good experience interacting with the people, and good light-minded people who just are focused towards having business in their mind. There's no trash talk. It's all just socializing with people, and the amount of customers we're walking in were a lot, and there's a lot of social energy involved in that. So it was a good time spending here in Goa with the expo. Thank you.
This exhibition is good. We are getting good response.
At Goa Hospitality Show for giving us this space and hosting this event. We have done a wonderful business here, and we have generated a lot of leads.
So we've been presenting at GHS for about 3 or 4 years consistently. Our response has been very, very good, and the organizers are very helpful.
मैं बोला तो बहुत अच्छा रहा एक्सपो, बहुत पब्लिक भी आ रही है, बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस भी मिला है, इसलिए मैं उनका भी धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ. थैंक यू.
This was an excellent show for us, and a lot of opportunities have come up. We are looking forward to participate in more shows like this in the future.
The show has been great and got a lot of good feedbacks from here. Thank you.
Response is very good. So a lot of hotels and beach resorts entered our stall, and where we had a great time here. And
we are participating in this exhibition for last 5-6 years now, and it has been a great experience participating here. There are a lot of good leads that we generate through this, and there's a lot of footfall as well.
तर आज इथे जे मुखर्जी स्टेडियममध्ये आपण जे भरवलेलं आहे एक्झिबिशन, त्याच्यामध्ये लोकांचा खूप सहभाग होता आणि त्याच्यातनं आम्हाला खूप असा फायदा झालेला आहे. तर नेक्स्ट टाइम आम्ही नक्कीच उत्सुक असू आपल्या एक्झिबिशनमध्ये काम करण्यासाठी. धन्यवाद.
होटल्स वगैरह सारे ओनर्स वगैरह आते हैं, तो इसलिए मैंने इस बार यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किया है, और रियली वी हैव गुड रिस्पॉन्स हियर, एंड डेफिनेटली वी विल कम अगेन इन नेक्स्ट ईयर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
जो कि मैं लास्ट 5 ईयर से कर रहा हूँ, और ये गोवा में मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है. चेतन भाई और गौतम भाई बहुत रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे कि भाई करो करो, अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला. सही में वो जो भी बोले थे वो सही निकला, अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है. और लास्ट
And it has been fantastic being associated with Hospitality Show at Goa. We have got really good response.
Great initiative taken by the show, Goa Hospitality Show, and I have seen good footfall here. This was the first time myself participating here.
So Goa Hospitality Expo has given us a very good opportunity to showcase our product. Really, it's a best platform, especially for the B2B customers, where we can directly connect with the bakers and many other big clients.
So we have been participating in this exhibition for a couple of years now, and we are very happy with the response which we get.
The show is great, the crowd is great. Thank you Goa Hospitality Show and Chetan Salvi's team. Thank you so much.
We are very proud and thankful to Goa Hospitality Show, which is a great event in Goa, which is promoting the local vendors to connect with the hoteliers. Thank you.
Very good show, very good platform. We met hospitality professional here and hope for the very good business from here. Thank you so much. It's a very nice and good show. Thanks.
This is my first time in this particular event, and it is going beautiful. People are coming, people are acknowledging our brand, talking to us, knowing our product. It's beautiful, and we are very hopeful that this year, upcoming year, we're going to reach out to those customers, and I think we're going to make it big. And hopefully, we're going to come to this event next year also. Thank you. And you guys have done tremendous work, so thank you so much.
I have a lot of footfalls, and I think this has become very successful one.
Get a good response from the Goa side, and this is the first time we are visiting to Goa, and we have participated. Already we are doing a business with this Horeca show event. When last Hyderabad also and Mumbai also, the first time we have visited to Goa, and we get a good response from the Goa peoples, and I love the audience who are getting here to support us and giving the good opportunity to grow our business.
The second year at the Goa Hospitality Show, and so far the response has been very good, as people here seem to be more aware about the environment and shifting to biodegradable products. So thank you.
Expo has given us a good platform. Many customers, hotel industry, hospitality industry have visited us.
Now comes to the coming with the participation in the Goa Hospitality. Yes, it is give us a very good platform where other customers and the relevant customer from Horeca industry comes, and we show our product range to them.
We are very thanks to Goa Hospitality, which give us a very good platform to sell our hospitality mattresses. Thanks.
Thanks to Goa Hospitality for letting us to put our stalls, and also helping us creating more leads and also expanding our Goan markets.
Opportunity to thank Goa Hospitality for this wonderful bringing together everybody and the hospitality industry so that we can showcase our products. Thank you.
It's a great platform for the local people in Goa to come here and see the machines or see the everything related to hotel industry. So a great experience to be here, great exposure to be here in. Thank you.
Wonderful experience at this exhibition. We thank Goa Hospitality Show for this wonderful show. Thank you.
The experience was really good. That's the reason I really want to thank the Goa Hospitality Show to organizing this event. Thank you.
I'd like to thank the organizers for giving us such a good platform here in Goa, and would once again like to participate every year here to enhance our product range and get more and more close to Goa and Goa's customers. Thank you very much.
We've been part of the exhibition from almost 2017, and we've been very happy to come here year on year. And it's been very, very uplifting to be here because we get to.
हम फर्स्ट टाइम गोवा हॉस्पिटलिटी गोवा सिटी में एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया है और हमको काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है.